Regular maintenance and inspections ensure your home's insulation remains effective. This reduces energy costs and maintains comfort throughout the year. By following a comprehensive checklist, homeowners can safeguard their investment. In the attic, verify the R value suitable for your climate and look for any gaps or compression. Proper ventilation is crucial to maintain efficiency. For walls, identify insulation type and check for gaps around outlets. Ensure compliance with local building codes to avoid future issues. Regular checks prevent energy loss and maintain comfort. Inspect crawl spaces and basements to ensure all exposed areas are covered with insulation. Check windows and doors for drafts and seal gaps with weather stripping. Consider energy-efficient upgrades for better insulation. Inspect penetration points and seal gaps with caulk or foam. Blower door testing can identify hidden leaks. Inspect ductwork for leaks and gaps, sealing them with duct tape or mastic as needed. Ensure ducts are insulated, especially in unconditioned spaces. Consider upgrading to a more energy-efficient HVAC system if yours is outdated. This can significantly reduce energy costs. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance. Look for signs of moisture or water damage in insulation materials. Add vapor barriers in high humidity areas like basements and crawl spaces. Always wear gloves, goggles, and masks when handling insulation. Adhere to safety protocols for installation. Proper moisture control prevents damage and maintains insulation effectiveness. Consider renewable energy options like solar panels or geothermal heating. Install radiant barriers and insulated siding for better energy efficiency. Ensure proper R value throughout the home for optimal insulation. These upgrades can lead to significant energy savings. Investing in efficiency improves comfort and reduces costs. By using eAuditor, inspections become systematic and thorough. Customizing your checklist ensures all areas are covered and documented. Effective insulation management leads to energy savings and increased home comfort.